This trader is trading with $35 million and it's not even his money. This is money from investors, and he's been trading for 8 years with an impressive record of 764% return. But that's not what's impressive about it. He has only 13% drawdown. Introducing the DarwinX ecosystem, where traders can get funded, hopefully up to $35 million as well. There are 3 things you can do in the DarwinX ecosystem. First of all, the Darwin Classic, which is unfortunately not available to US clients. And today we're going to check out the DarwinexZero system, where we're going to trade and go through the training, silver, gold, and pro stages to get funding. And the third option is if you have at least $500, you can invest in the DarwinX ecosystem as well. Let's check out the DarwinexZero system. Now, this one is available for US clients and other people in the world as well. For those of you who are familiar with prop firms, well, this is similar but very different. But unlike prop firms who have set profit targets, set drawdown targets, and a whole bunch of complex rules that are specifically designed to make you fail, the DarwinX system is different. There are no rules. You just trade through the different phases. You start off with the zero trading phase that goes for about 2 to 3 weeks, and then you progress to the silver stage, where you receive between 25 to 250K worth of funds during the 3-month process. Next, you jump up to gold, where you receive about up to 500K during the 6-month process. And the last and final stage is where your account is opened up to investors, where they can support you and you will receive a portion of the profits from their funds as well. And while you are trading, you are given a DarwinX score. Let's scroll down to see what you can actually achieve using their system. The first trader that I mentioned before is controlling $35 million. The second best trader is trading at $11 million, $8 million third, and the fourth guy is $2 million. And out of the money that they're actually trading, they've actually received $681,000. So this guy, who's been trading for 8 years, has actually received $681,000 in the past 8 years. Let's check him out. His Darwin score is 85, which is really high, and he has returned for 764% in the past 8 years with a drawdown of 13%, and he's received $635,000 into his personal account. And this is what his equity chart looks like. Pretty impressive. There have been some drawdowns, but overall for the past 8 years, his trading has been very consistent. If I go back to the top, there's a whole bunch of other metrics here that you can check out in your own time. It looks like there is a lot of statistics and analysis that you can do to decide whether this trader is right for your own investment. And if you look at it from a monthly and yearly perspective, you can see every year he's been profitable since 2015, and there have been some losing months, but overall quite an impressive return of 700%. And there's some more statistics down there for you. But I'm not interested in copying him or her. If you have $500, you can copy this trader's results. What I'm more interested in is becoming the trader who controls $35 million. Maybe $30 million is a bit much. I'm happy to start with 1 million. But because I'm just starting out, 8 years is a long way for me to catch up to. So let's just take a look at the past 3 months of trading, because that's more reasonable. So in the past 3 months of trading, the number 1 trader has returned 8%. Number 2 trader has returned 6%. Number 3 trader has returned 6%. So about 2 to 5% per month is what they're looking for on this platform. And these people are controlling about 200K, 2 million, 15,000 and 133,000. I am a person who has a full-time job, I'm a mum, and I'm doing trading on the side. I only have a few $1,000s for my Forex trading, so even if I made 100% in 12 months, it's not enough for me to go full-time trading. So if I start my journey with a DarwinexZero and I aim for between 2 to 5% per month, in a few months, we'll see if I can attract enough investors' capital from Darwinex. This company funds up to $10 million per month to their traders, and they've paid out $4 million so far to the traders. So I'm here on the DarwinexZero website, and I will post a link to them in the description below. Let's click on Get Started. The initial sign-up fee is 95 euros per month, and there is a monthly recurring fee of $38. The training stage is about 2.5 weeks, and then we move to Darwin Silver. For £38 per month, I can put on my favorite expert advisor and not have to worry about hitting any profit targets or maximum drawdown. For my expert advisor, I've chosen my best EA, the Waka Waka EA, which has been going for 154 days with steady profits. And the biggest drawdown I've seen in the past 5 months is about $150 trading at 0.01 lot size. From a monthly return perspective, it makes about $50 per month trading at 0.01 lot size. This expert advisor does perform differently on different brokers. I am personally using a Go Markets Pro account. So instead of putting the Waka Waka EA on this broker, where the spreads are okay, but not as good as my Go Markets account, I'm going to use the free FX Blue personal trade copier to copy from my Go Markets account over to the Darwinex platform. Here I am using MT4 because it uses less memory, but they also have MT5 if you prefer that. This is a brand new 100,000 account with 30 to 1 leverage. And this is my statistics panel. It's looking a little bit empty because I'm still waiting for my first trade. Thank you Darwinex for sponsoring this video, and I'm excited to start my journey to become a full-time trader.